Hey everybody, it's Will at VIP Mortgage. It's time for a quick rate update. Rates have stayed the same since the improvement a couple of weeks ago, with no major bumps in the road causing rates to go back up, which is starting to establish a new trading range. So as we go forward, we're going to be watching this because if it continues another week or so, this may be the new range that we stay in through the rest of the summer. And of course, we're anticipating the Fed starting to cut rates for the overnight bank lending rate in September. That is something that gets a lot of headlines. The Fed cutting rates is not the Fed cutting mortgage rates, it's cutting the rate that banks charge each other to borrow money. So when that gets cut, usually rates improve, and in the bond market, usually mortgage rates improve before the Fed actually cuts. So that's probably what we're seeing right now. And then the question will be, when the Fed does cut the overnight rate, how many more times are they planning to cut? That's the major discussion that's going on with the economy right now. How far are they going to cut that overnight rate? And how much will that cause mortgage rates to improve, if at all? You have to remember, when the Fed cuts rates, it doesn't always improve mortgage rates. And the cuts we're talking about are pretty small. If they cut on the high side this year, then rates might improve another 1/8 to 1/4% from where we are right now, if that plan follows through. We won't know for sure, but it's important to remember mortgage rates don't move in big chunks. When you hear that rates have improved, don't think it's gone down a 1/2 point or even a full point, because that's very, very unusual. And rates move relatively slowly. It's not like the stock market. It's a very slow, conservative part of the economy. So as you're out there looking for property, maybe you're getting a little better rate now than you would have a month ago, and perhaps you can find a really good deal out there in the market. If there's anything we can do for you, give me a call, 719-232-7553.